educators. Welcome to EduGyaan. In this video, we will see how to create Instagram page for institute to market your courses. Instagram is a social media platform with approx 300 million followers. You can share images and videos to market your courses and generate more revenue. So, without delaying, let's get started. Open the website of Instagram by entering www.instagram.com in the address bar. Click on Sign Up option to create a new account for the institute. A new form page will open. You need to fill the basic details like email address or mobile number, name, username, and password. After entering all the details, click on Sign Up to create the account. After clicking on Sign Up option, a new window will appear which will ask to enter your date of birth. Select the date of birth and click on Next button. Once you click on the Next button, a confirmation code will be shared to your email or mobile number which you entered during the sign-up process. Enter the code and click on Next button to continue. Congratulations! Your Instagram account is now ready to use. Now let's see how we can convert it to professional account to use it for your coaching institute. Click on More and then select Settings. Now click on Switch to Professional Account. A new page will appear. Select Business and click on the Next button to continue. Click on the Next button again. Now, it will ask to select the business category. Under this, search for education and select education or education website option. Once you select the business category, click on the Done button to complete the process. Once you click on the Done button, you will be redirected to a new page too, and it will ask to review your contact information. If you want to show the contact information on your institute's Instagram page, then check the checkbox. We recommend you check the checkbox so that the contact information will be visible to the audiences in the introduction section of the page. Now, enter the contact information like your institute email ID, phone number and location along with the postal code. After entering the contact information, click on the Save button to save all the information. Also, if you don't want to show your contact information on the page, then you can click on the Don't Use My Contact Info option and save to continue. Congratulations! Instagram page for your institute is ready now. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.